Bring the charm of a winter wonderland into your home this holiday season. Naomi Home presents the Marley Rustic Snowy Christmas Tree. This beautiful tree features pre-assembled LED lights that sparkle with a magical glow, making your decorating effortless and your holiday season brighter. With its lifelike snowy branches and rustic design, our Christmas tree creates a cozy, festive atmosphere that everyone will love. Experience the joy and beauty of a rustic snowy Christmas tree this holiday. Order now and make your home the heart of the season. The Marley Rustic Snowy Christmas Tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.